everybody, it's Chris.
And Joan from Chris and Joan's Travels.
Hey, we're in Puerto Rico today, but we're not going to talk about Puerto Rico. We're going to talk about yesterday in St. Thomas. This is our day, I guess it's day 8 vlog. Yesterday was 7 for St. Thomas. So St. Thomas was an early port. They got in way early. I think it was 8, and we were there until 5. So we didn't rush to get off the ship like everybody. We took our time. We got up. I ran. We went and had breakfast at the buffet, and then Joni and I we had an excursion plan to go to the sky ride at Paradise Point. So we got off the ship, and it was only 8 o'clock, 8:30, so we had time to walk around the port. So we did a little shopping. Then after that, we walked over to the Paradise Point sky ride, which
didn't open till 9. We got there just before 9.
And it might be a 10-minute walk from where we were moored.
Yep.
Wasn't bad. So we got there. We were actually the first ones in line.
We already had our tickets, so we got right in.
So we were on the first gondola set up for 3 other people, or 3 other couples that went to the top. And then we got to the top, and of course there was some shopping. So Joni did some shopping. We did a bunch of pictures.
Okay, you got all the stuff. You got more stuff there than I did.
That was in the port. We had a pina colada up there, and
I had a strawberry daiquiri. No, I had a
they did strawberry daiquiri. They did rum punch for Joni. And then we went back and did some more shopping, and then we went up to our room because we had all this stuff that we bought at the port shopping area. And after we went to the port shopping area, we went to the room, we dropped everything off, we put on our bathing suits. Then we jumped in a taxi to Megan's Bay, and we went and hung out at Megan's Bay until 3:30, from 11:30 to 3:30. I'll give you a little heads up on that. It's about a 20-minute ride over there. The taxi from the port costs $12 if you're a couple, or per person, or $15 if you're a single rider. It costs $7 per person to actually enter Megan's Bay. And then we had pizza there, and the pizza was $6 a slice. It was good cardboard pizza, as I would call it.
The chairs.
Yeah, and then the chairs were $20 a chair, 2 for $40, and you got an umbrella. Woo, the umbrella! But it was actually nice to have. It was raining,
nice, of course.
And then the sun came out, and then it sprinkled again. The sun came, so it's nice to have a place to hide out. And then
so in the water, the water was really nice.
The water was pretty clear.
Clear, good sand.
It was definitely a sandy beach.
It was very sandy. It wasn't rocky or anything sandy, and the water was coolish, but it was comfortable.
It was refreshing.
It was refreshing. It wasn't cold for me. I actually went in it, so it wasn't cold. And then we were watching the birds, the pelicans.
The pelicans dive bomb.
They literally, we have a video of that. They all over the place diving for the fish, right in front of you. One literally 10
yards from me.
And we didn't have a camera, unfortunately. But yeah, it was like wow. So it was funny.
That was cool. They were doing that for a while. They were looking to get their.
They were getting their dinner, their fish.
And then about 3:30, we cleaned up, took a taxi cab back to the ship. We got back at about 3:50, 4 o'clock. Went down to the thermal spa. We were kind of bummed out that the main thermal spa pool was out of commission. I guess the heater went out, and it was still out today.
Yeah.
But we hung out in the hot tub. That was nice. We did a little of that. Then we went and got cleaned up, and then we went to Cagney's for dinner. And I had some prime rib and a baked potato and some big chocolate cake. And Joni, why don't you tell them what you had?
So I asked the waiter. He goes, "What would you like?" I said, He goes, what did he say? So I'm gonna stump you.
You're gonna make my life hard, is what I said.
Yeah, and he's like, no. I'm like, okay. He goes, I don't want steak. He goes, I want chicken. He's like, chicken? But you're in the steakhouse. I'm like, yeah, chicken. He goes, I can get chicken for you. I said, chicken and rice? He goes, okay, I can do that for you. And then he goes, you want anything else with it? I said, can I have mac and cheese? I'll get you mac and cheese. So he went over.
So the guy actually did a good job. He got Joni mac and cheese,
chicken and rice
for an appetizer, and chicken and rice for dinner. She was happy as could be, and they didn't even charge one of the dining plans to it, which I thought was funny. I wouldn't have cared if they did.
No, I mean, yeah, exactly. That's what it's for. I just didn't want steak, and there wasn't anything else on the menu that I liked. So I just had. If I had anything, I would have had a piece of steak that I really didn't like.
She'd had the petite filet mignon,
and it wouldn't have. I don't particularly care for steak, so but yeah, I was like, yeah, they give it to me, they give it to me. If not, and they were very helpful this time. On other cruises, they've given me a hard time. but it is what it is. But it was very nice. It was good. There was good chicken, like I said, so that was nice. And we had nice black, blue something wine.
We had Riesling, the generic Riesling that they served.
The blue.
But that was good.
It was good.
And then
and we had the chocolate cake for dessert.
oh god, that
You have
was
to buy chocolate.
too much. Chocolate cake was good.
We had to share it.
And then we were done with dinner, so we went and got some more pictures taken care of, and we made a reservation to go to the Sky Bar on the 17th. The Ice Bar. The Sky Ice Bar. Yep. So we're going to do that on the 17th. We'll make a video of that, have lots of pictures. And then we went up to the Mojito. We went and changed. We put on some really casual clothes because we dressed up for Cagney's. We like getting at least a couple days of nice pictures. So that was our second dress-up day. And then went to the Mojito Bar, and we listened to country music on the piano, which I thought was interesting. But it was good. It was entertaining.
It was nice. We had a couple drinks.
Joni had some Bahama Mamas, and I had some kind of wacky rum punch. And it was strong and it was good. I had like 3 of them, and I was like, okay. It was more of a sweet and sour rum punch, where Joni's, Bahama Mama is really a rum punch. Hers was more of just a sweet rum punch. Mine had a little sour to it, kind of like an Adios, but not quite. Wasn't blue. And then after that, we walked around a little, hung out, and then called it a night. And that was it. So that was our St. Thomas adventure, our St. Thomas day. Technically that was day 8. So that's it. Anything else?
No. Just, hope you liked it. Check out our pictures, and
hopefully,
with lots of
you've been following. Hopefully you've been following this week.
Follow us along.
So that was day 8.
Come see our adventures. Where are the Gillens today? Where will the Gillens be next?
Where will Chris and Joan be?
Chris and
That's
Joan, sorry.
Chris and Joan's travel. Where are we traveling to next? Tomorrow?
Where will they be next?
The next 3 days, or tomorrow or today, because we're doing this a day late, is San Juan. We'll have a video up tomorrow for that. And then we get 3 days of sea time, and then we're back to New York. So we're almost done with the cruise. It's only got 3 full days left. But oh well. We've been having a good time. It's been a blast.
Everything's been great. And hope you're liking our vlogs, and hope you like following us along.
Please leave a comment.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment below, share our videos with others, and follow us and check our next videos. Bye for now.
This is Chris
and Joan
for Chris and Joan Travels. Night.